Welcome to Module 3 of the Focus Assist Talent Training. Here we'll be discussing the Fair Labor Standards Act and also wage and hour. Now I'm going to summarize and highlight some things within the document. If you'd like to read the entire document, it will be posted on Team of Experts as well. And there's also links within the document, so it's good to locate this on Team of Experts, download it to your computer, and you can go ahead and open the link, or actually just open it from Team of Experts, because this information could change, but you'll have the latest version from the Team of Experts. You'll see here that the website's linked here. But basically, the Fair Labor Standards Act, in a nutshell, it establishes the minimum wage, overtime pay, record keeping, and youth employment standards that affect employees both in the private sector and in federal, state, and local governments. And you'll see there the non-exempt workers entitled to a minimum wage of $7.25 per hour since 2009. That has not changed since then. Now, what happens? The federal minimum wage is $7.25. No state can be below that, but some states can also enact higher minimum wages. It's just they can't go below the federal standard. Additionally, overtime is set in place for any hours beyond 40 hours work per week, and this would be for non-exempt employees. There are some employees that do not receive 1.5 times pay, such as supervisors, and that information is covered on the website as well. But there are no limits on the number of hours an employee that's 16 or older can work in a work week. So if you're 16 or older, an employer can have you work as many hours as they wish, but you will receive overtime pay for anything beyond 40 hours. And then also, this will show hours worked, record keeping, and then child labor laws to protect children, anybody under the age of 16. There are limits on what types of jobs they can work and how many hours during the school week and also on the weekends. All of that is highlighted in this link. Now then, there's also a handy reference guide that's available online. And you'll see here there's a PDF. And these are the different topics that are covered: wage standards, tips, industrial, sub-minimum wage, youth minimum wage, different exemptions, child labor laws, farm labor, nursing mothers, etc. You'll see all of these different topics are covered in the handy reference guide. So we won't be going over that in this training, but this information will be available to you online to access at any time. And it's good to have this as a reference guide. You could even go and download this PDF that was updated fairly recently. There is also an online presentation. You'll see there are 4 PowerPoints that you can locate and go through those. And then we have referenced here the Fair Labor Standards Act law and regulation. All right, in the next module, we'll be covering special job postings.